I'm going to pull the fire alarm.
Hey, Francisco, what are you doing?
I was trying to pull the fire alarm.
Francisco, how could you try to pull the fire alarm? That's it, come with me.
Lynn, what are you and Francisco doing here? The school is already over.
Well, Miss Pham, Francisco was trying to pull fire alarm. I stopped him.
Thanks for telling me. You may go now.
Yeah, go on.
Lynn, amazing job for stopping Francisco from pulling the fire alarm. That's it, you are ungrounded forever.
As a reward, we will go to Popeyes this weekend.
Yay 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 yay.